Hi friends, I gave Riana some positive sentences and asked her to convert it into question form. Let us see how she does. Now Riana uses capital letter for she. When you use the capital letter in the middle of the sentence for he or she, the meaning will be like it mentions the God. Wherever he or she comes in the middle of the sentence, it mentions God. So you have to avoid writing capital letters in the middle of the sentence for he, she, and they. You don't need to use capital letters in the middle of the sentence except I. Yeah, you did a great job, Rihanna. All answers are correct. Kudos to you. Bye. If you want to learn English easily and quickly, please practice like Rihanna. Bye.